I love that the Onyx Hair Kit offers all of the essentials that you will need, whether you're at home or you're on the road. I'm Kellee Edwards. I am a travel and adventure journalist and explorer.
I'm Gilmore, and I'm a celebrity hairstylist and artist, and I've been working with hair probably for about 20 years.
As a travel and adventure journalist, I spend a lot of time on the road. I'm very active, I'm in the great outdoors, I'm in the ocean, and as a Black woman with short hair, or a Black woman just period with hair and water, oftentimes, those things don't go together. But that's not how I live my life. I'm not gonna let water prohibit me from experiencing the place that I'm at. And so for me, for years, I had all these different types of products that I would travel with. And everything is not travel size friendly. I was like, man, I need a hair kit of some sort. And so I remember being on set for a shoot that I had, and Greg was on set with me. He was doing my hair, and I was like, listen, I've had this idea for this hair kit for a long time. I would love if, maybe you could do this with me. Let me know what you think. He's just like, yeah, I think that'd be a great idea.
So Kellee and I, we started to collaborate on this hair kit. It was something that fit both of us. She travels, I do hair. We ended up naming it the Onyx Hair Kit.
I thought really hard along with Greg about what's needed in here. Him from a professional point of view as a stylist, and me from a user and consumer experience.
What makes the Onyx Hair Kit just special is because it includes some essential products that one needs to really complete the style.
We have the shampoo bottle, the conditioner bottle.
You'll have a bottle for your spritz or your gloss spray. You'll have a bottle for your oil drops. You'll have a bottle for your mousse. We have a comb that comes with it.
The satin pillowcase is everything to me because that's how I maintain the softness of my hair, the shape of my hair. I don't have to go to sleep with necessarily a wrap on or a bonnet. Like, that's just not how I personally like to go to bed. And so for me, having that satin pillowcase in my hair kit while I'm on the road lets me know that no matter where I'm at, if anything, I'm gonna wake up the next morning looking like I did the day before.
We also have a bonnet that hooks up to the blow dryer. So when you're at the hotel or you're at home, you can always be able to dry your hair.
I can't just use a dryer and a brush and just dry and brush my hair out. That's just not how my hair works as an African American woman. And so the fact that I can actually wrap my hair with the foam, put the wrap strips on, and then take that hood, connect it to a hotel dryer, and have my hair dry in the way it would as if I was in the shop with Greg is clutch.
You also have the curling iron, and it heats up just enough so that you're not burning the hair, but it will seal the cuticle so that you have a great shine when styling your hair.
We've got all of those things all encompassed in this kit that not only stores those things, but it also has plenty of space for your toiletries.
There's little compartments to also put other essentials that you might want to bring with you, like wrap strips or a certain type of comb that you like.
I literally put everything in there, from my toothpaste to my personal products to my soap to my toothbrush, other hair products that I may feel like I might need.
Maybe even a little makeup, some lipstick or some eyeliner or something like that.
It just has room for everything, and then you just zip it up and it fits perfectly in my carry-on.
You don't have to worry about it getting taken from you with TSA and traveling, that kind of thing. It's just something that's very convenient, and it's something I'm very excited about, something I'm very proud about. I know that it's going to be a great product for all women and men, I would say too, who travel a lot, who need the convenience of being able to maintain their hair without their stylist, or when they're unable to do regular salon visits.
It gives me the confidence to know that even when I'm not able to get in his chair and be in his shop, that I can still maintain my look and feel good, knowing that I have a product that will carry me until I can see him again.